3, 2, 1.
Welcome back to the channel. We're in the V right now. I do have a plan for the V that I wanted to do. I've always wanted to do it since I've got this car, simply because of the black. So what I was thinking was, if I want to wrap the car, I'm going to need some colors from you guys. Some colors. Help me pick a color for this car. I do have a couple things, colors in mind that I wanted to pick. With the gold wheels and a wrap, I think this thing will be extremely different. There's not going to be a V around like it. It shouldn't be, at least. I haven't even seen a V with gold wheels like this, let alone with a nice colored wrap and everything on the car to contrast with the wheels and everything. So I have a few colors that I was having in mind, and I want you guys to help me kind of go through the colors and pick which ones you see. So right now we're going to probably head to Jess's shop. If you guys go back to previous videos with my LS350Z, my S2000, the Mustang, he was the one that helped me put the clutch in it, and he wrapped both of those vehicles for me. So we're gonna go back to him today and ask him and get a quote on wrapping the V today. So man, this would be crazy if I could wrap this thing and have a crazy color on it with the wheels and everything. It'd be so crazy. So we're gonna go over there and check out him. So catch you guys when we get there. You wanna shout out anything from the YouTube channel?
I'm good.
You wanna check?
Shout out to my Instagram, it's _.
Bet. Y'all go follow him on Instagram, man. You go ahead. Hey, appreciate it.
Yeah, I mean, I subscribe to your YouTube channel.
Oh, you are?
Yeah, we live down the street, so I watch you like a lot.
Hey, man, I appreciate that, bro. I appreciate that support, man.
What's up?
You wanna shout out anything?
Hey, what's up? Shout out to Jonathan. Badass car.
Hey, appreciate that, man. I don't know if y'all can see that wheel on this car, but look at this. Like, that thing is about to roll off. Let me see if I can zoom in for you guys. Probably can't see it. Damn. All right, guys, pulled up to Jess's shop. Here at Jess's shop. Now he's doing transmissions and everything. So what all transmissions are you doing now?
Man.
Come on, man. What all transmissions are you doing now?
We're doing the ones that go forward, backwards. Some of them go sideways.
Hey, sideways. Here's all the trans.
Japanese.
Doing all transmission work. No Germans, no Germans. Ford, Chevy. What else you doing? Dodge.
Honda.
And do Hondas, Toyotas.
Yeah.
Just no Germans right now.
No Germans.
Which pretty much my viewers are gonna be Dodge, Chevy, Ford maybe, but mostly Chevy, Dodge. You're gonna get a lot of that. He is doing some LS's, but I'm pretty sure he's done with those right now. No more LS swaps right now. Just
swap started 20 grand.
oh, see, dude, then you don't want to do it. You definitely don't want to do it. Just do some transmission work, and that's pretty much it. So what you got? 4L60s,
4L80s, turbo 350s, turbo 400s, 4R70s, 4R100s, anything. 6L80s, 6L90s.
and you got some of them in stock, don't you?
Yeah, all 4L60s in stock, 700s, 350s. No 400s right now. 4L80s we got.
Shit, if y'all need something, throw it together.
4x4, two-wheel drive.
Everything.
93 to current.
All right, well, there you go. Shit. Plenty of transmission work right here. What do you think in person?
I like it.
Right?
Yeah.
Look real good, huh?
Yeah.
Way better than pictures. People see it in pictures, they're like, ah, they don't look.
It's too blingy and flashy.
Yeah, but when you see them in person, they're not. Yeah, they're not like that,
Clean as fuck.
right?
Yeah, and you got some clearance now.
Yep. Hella clearance back there now. Way better now.
Yeah, that looks way better.
That's what I was telling people. There, some people are like, I don't like the wheels. You should change them. I don't like the wheels. Like, dude.
It's different in person. It really is.
Yeah, I try to tell people that on the camera it just don't look the same.
No, I didn't like the camera version
Yeah, exactly. But in person,
Like, boy, that boy went too flashy again.
no, these ain't like
Those
like
aren't like the S2000.
hell no. These are like a light.
These are like anodized.
And then when they're clean, they look real good. They got like brake dust and shit on them right now, but they look real good when they're cleaned
No,
up.
they do look real good. Yeah, because they're actually two-tone.
Yeah. So the face is a little different
It's
than
just
this
real
part.
hard to tell. That's why they don't seem so damn flashy and shiny.
Yeah. And that's why I like them. If they were like the golden S, I'm not putting that on here. That's not for this.
Yeah, no.
It's like it's perfect.
Yeah,
Perfect right here.
that's way better.
It's deeper. It's a lot deeper. Sounds way better.
Yeah, that sounds amazing. What parts are those?
Bullets. They're bullets. But I don't know what, I forgot the brand name. I have to get the brand name.
That sounds way better.
That's what I thought too. So next to his shop, here's the German side of things where you guys can come over here and get the German side. Because he specifically ain't doing no German shit. He ain't doing it. All right, guys. So we got the Avery color card for the wraps. Which color do you think look nice? This first color right here is pretty badass, but I'm pretty sure that's going to be expensive as hell for this first wrap. This, I think, will clash too much with the wheels. I think I'd be having too much going on, but it does look nice. Let's see. What other colors in here? There's a few colors that I was thinking about. So I'm gonna need you guys' help, man, to check it out. What is this? Is this that black rose metallic? Gloss burgundy? No, we're not doing that. See, even something like this would look nice. That satin metallic purple. Silver, you know, that's an OEM color. This matte metallic powder blue is nice. Gloss light blue. Shit, that's something like the new Vet is the C8 Corvette. They have that color in it. That'll be dope. Now look, this color, guys. Like I thought this color was pretty damn clean. This pearl light green. You probably can't see it because it's too cloudy out here, but some of these colors are like real pearly, so they might not seem as badass when I'm showing you right now, but they're pretty damn clean in person. Like even this color right here, this pearl dark green is real nice because I have to make a contrast with the wheels. So this metallic midnight sand is pretty dope. I think these are getting back to like gray in colors. Shit, we could wrap this thing in full carbon, man. Nah, we're not doing that. But let me know what you guys think of some colors, man. I know there's a lot of colors that's missing out of here, like some reds. We got orange, but orange is not gonna go good with the wheels. What's this? Like a gloss cardinal red with it. Did that look clean? But let me know what you guys think about the color. I really want to do a color change on this thing, man, because what I was gonna do is buff, polish, paint correct the whole paint and get it done, because I know it looks good right now. It looks excellent out here, but it is cloudy, so you probably can't see a lot of the little blemishes that are pretty much, you can probably see a little bit, but you can't really see too much. It's not bad. It's not like the car is horrible or anything, but this, I really want to throw a wrap on this. I think they'll change the whole car, look completely different. There's not going to be another V that looks like it. But let me know what you guys think below. Comment down below some colors, man. Let me know what you think. All right, man. Make sure y'all hit that like and subscribe button. I really do appreciate all you guys' support. Try to make this happen, man. It already looks good in black, but I think something to make sure it'll contrast those wheels and make them pop. But comment down below, hit that like, subscribe button. I appreciate y'all. Before I end off, I actually picked up this little kit right here to try to help with some filming. This is supposed to be a head mount and a chest mount for the phone and stuff like that, so when I'm driving or things like that, I can help get some better footage for you guys. So I'm gonna try this out real quick and see exactly the point of view, and you guys can tell me if it looks good or not. So all right, so this was picked up for me from Amazon. I believe it was like 20 bucks. So they have a head mount right here, chest mount I believe right here, and then there's a couple attachments for the phone. So I'm gonna try to get the head mount on and then see how the point of view looks, to see if it's a better view for you guys instead of me holding my phone with one hand. All right, guys, here's the head mount. Let me know what you guys think. Better view and stuff like that. So let's go sit in the V. All right, so this is inside the V with the head mount. I'm not sure if it's a better view because I can't see it's on top of my head. So hopefully when I review this footage, it'll look good. But this is much better, because my thing is, I know I don't upload probably a lot during the week, but mainly I try to get quality content over quantity. So I just try to make sure I get good quality content, stuff that's interesting and that you'll like instead of just posting anything up throughout the week. I like the support from you guys, so I expect, you know, me to put out quality content and respect that you guys are watching it. So I'm not gonna just be uploading anything just to get ads off of it, nothing like that. I always try to post quality content over quantity. So, but this is a much better view. This is the head display from my head mount with the iPhone 11 Pro Max, which is what I used to film, as most of you may not know. But I feel like this is much better. Now I can actually utilize my shifters and stuff like that when I'm driving and shit like that. So hopefully it's a lot better. All right, guys, so this is the chest mount. So it's a little bit lower, but I can actually angle it differently depending on where I want it. So which one do you guys like better, the chest mount or the head mount, up top or right here? This is pretty much mid tier right here in my chest, and up top is pretty much, you know, a down's eye view. So let me know what you guys think, which one is better. All right, guys, time for me to head out. It's cold as hell out here. I don't know if you guys can see the breath. But I gotta go get my hair cut, man. I gotta chop this shit up. I'm gonna probably get some transmission work done at Justice Shop, so I'll probably be dropping the trans out of this thing. So stay tuned for that. And leave some wrap colors down below. Let me know what you guys think. There's some colors that I have in mind that weren't on that Avery card. So maybe just colors that I have in mind you probably didn't see on the Avery card, but I do have a couple colors in mind. But let's get to 2K, like I said. Let's push for the subscribers. I appreciate all the support. Let me know which view you guys like better. And next video, I'll probably be revealing every mod that's on the car, because I know I have a lot of new subscribers, and going in depth with everything that's on this car, and names and probably receipts, and try to get pricing to make sure that everything's holding up, to see if you guys want to put it on your car to see if it's worth it or not. So stay tuned, man. Appreciate y'all. Peace out.